And comments from CEO and Chair Mark Benioff here saying that based on performance and what we see in the back half of the year, we're raising our fiscal year 24, everything I just mentioned, raising guidance. So just want to get your thoughts on that and how it speaks to the winners and losers in tech right now and what has been an uncertain economic backdrop.
Well, when you have a stock like Salesforce up 60% plus this year, NVIDIA up around 200%, you can farkle all you want about GDP growth and whether 2's right or 2.5 or whether the 10 years scary at 4.3 versus 4.1. You can talk all day long about that, but at the end of the day, what matters is earnings growth and how these companies perform. And this outperformance by Salesforce is very impressive. I'd rather take that all day long than splitting hairs on slight fluctuations in GDP growth or interest rates. And the guidance on the call will be important too, but the guidance on the piece of paper announcing the earnings sounds very, very good.
I believe Pure Storage has also crossed. We're going through those right now. Mike, in enterprise, there's been this sense of things having bottomed out, and I guess in a way, without hearing the commentary, the Salesforce results seem to echo that.
Yeah, it would seem that. Obviously, you want to get some clarity on the components of that revenue guide, whether they're saying that deals are being struck at a good pace or not. And I think the reason that investors have warmed to the Salesforce story is that it isn't wholly dependent on accelerating top-line growth from here or accelerating overall spending growth from enterprise. So, you have a little bit of a cushion here psychologically because let's remember, this was a $300 stock in November of 2021 when the NASDAQ peaked. So it's still clawing its way back to that level from a lower valuation threshold because the earnings have come through and they've been doing a lot of cost cutting.
Yeah, I mean, just to dig into it a little bit more, Mike, Salesforce is up, looks like more than 6% right now with immediate reaction after hours. But it is very much AI driven. And I don't just mean Salesforce, but I just mean in terms of what seems to be performing well. Again, going back to this uncertain macro environment, AI seems to be sort of the thing that everybody's honing in on and trying to highlight in their results around not only investments are being made, but how they're going to monetize it and what those quote unquote opportunities look like. Salesforce is that's going to be key on the call, right?
Well, without a doubt, yeah. And, you would think on paper that it's the business model that should be right there. That's what they've been sort of enabling people to do is automate processes over time, create technological shortcuts for big organizations.